Hi, Gibaud, and today my monthly video about Luminar Neo. No, it's not Neo anymore, it's Luminar. That's it. Great news, new interface, some more features. I'm going to tell everything about it. So let's start. Before going any further, don't forget that if you are interested in buying Luminar with my code ERIC10, you get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still use the code. And I've got a special link just below here, so use it. Thank you so much. So to have an idea of what they've made new, the best thing is to dive into a screen capture mode so I can show you what's new, and at the end I will tell you some more things that do not appear yet in the interface, or then maybe not there, so I'll tell you soon. So let's dive in this. Well, on your interface, maybe it looks the same, but it's not. First, for me the important part is on the right, but let's check everything. Here you have your catalog as always with your pictures. Okay, here you have recently edited or lost. For example, this one I erased from my hard drive, so they appear here, but there's a small mark that says they were lost. Here my mobile pictures, they're here also, or restoration I made. Here you have all the tutorials. Then learn photography tutorials are for obviously Luminar. Learn photography are for photography in general, then creative library. But then let's go back to our pictures here. When you click here, you already see, you pick the picture you want. You have the information here. You can actually click on it and you have all this, the camera it was used, the XC for this, you can switch it on. And what's different now is because before you would have to decide if you would go there on the top to edit or to preset all this. Now you double click on your picture, it's here, and you can decide if you want it for the preset, if you want it for the tools to develop it. If you have some edits here, if you want to have some extra like the generative features like upscale or less, and here you have the info. Okay, so I think this is a lot more practical. Let's do a small demo. Let's say I develop here. I'm going to do auto adjust just to be fast more than anything else, and then let's go to something different, enhance AI. I do it here. Okay, and I look at this, I say, oh, I think development was not great. And you remember before you would go back to develop, and yes, it's still the same, 0, but it was not that obvious. There were some changes. Here you have a small orange dot here. I click here, and then I've got everything I've changed. So here I've got the preset I've made. Okay, the preset, the adjustment I made. Oh, it was made by itself, but here I can change it here again. Okay, it's faster. So I think this is great news to have this. Second, there are new feature that will come. This is the new assistant. Now AI, this is not the new one, but a new one is coming in. I would say, well, let's change picture just for fun. Let's take this picture, let's get to the AI. I want to have sunset ambience. Okay, let's see what it does. So it offers me 3 options. I don't have to follow them, but just to give you an idea. If I click, and also it explains the edit, what it did actually. And here I've got, as you can see, before, after. If I don't like it, I would pick this one maybe. Double click, but explain what it did. So the idea is not to always use the help. The idea is to learn at the same time. So same thing, I've got the original, and now the way it looks, or maybe a bit darker, more synthetic. Okay, and I can still go and change things if I want to. For example, one of the features that will be new on next issue for November, no, for autumn issue, the fog system, layered fog. For example, put the amount, depth. Okay, that will be new. And as you can see, I start from the picture the assistant generated, so I can at any time see with or without, or from the beginning. Okay. Or I want to do one thing I really love on this system is the depth of lighting. I can really do it. But see, my fog is still here, the way it looks. I really think this is great what they've made here. And there will be more features that will come, like crop or this. And if I wanted to do generative, I could have gone to the extra and here, play directly here with restoration, upscale, HDR, focus stacking, all this. So I think, yes, at any time I can click here and go back. I do think they have improved a lot the interface, although that looks simple. But I tell you, as a user, I tell you the difference is really important. It's a lot faster, you waste less time and you see precisely where things are. I really like that. By the way, don't forget I've got affiliated links in the description. Please use them. And as I said, if you wanted to buy Luminar with my code ERIC10, you get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still use the code and you save some more money. And with ERIC20, you get a 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. That helps you. That helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. Let's carry on. So, do you like the new interface? I love it. It's a lot better organized, but there are some things you could not see there. Why? Because they're not there. Some features will be updated soon. I will get the beta and show you. But there's one feature I think this is wonderful for so many people. There will be a web version. Many people complain not about Luminar, but any app. Their computer is not powerful enough to move it. So they're presenting an online Luminar. And I think this is fantastic because maybe your computer is powerful enough, but you're traveling, so you don't want to bring your computer along. You go with something maybe lighter. You can use someone else's computer or wherever you go. So I think this is great to have these features and be able to access them online. So that's good news. So as soon as I've got something to show you, I will show you. So to recap, well, new crop AI 2.0, I didn't tell, was on screen capture. New atmosphere version 2.0. New enhanced AI 2.0, I didn't tell it either. I had to leave some surprise for the end. New AI assistant and new structure, I would say, for the way of buying Luminar. You will have the desktop only, so just for your computer. The all platform that covers computer, smartphone, I understand also the web version, and a max version. I don't know everything it will include. I will tell you more as soon as I know, but we can see there is some massive improvement, not just limited to the interface. Also, many features are getting better and better. But I was going to forget, a printing feature. So many people have been asking to advanced printing feature, and yes, it's coming in this new version. That's fantastic. So I think, yes, it's a massive improvement, big change, okay, for autumn. Fantastic. So I hope you like these new things, and I hope you like the video. And if you're interested in Luminar Neo, don't forget to use my code ERIC10 and the link, the special link for this month here. So you use it in the description, and I thank you for it. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, the small button down here, and a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget, I've got affiliate links in the description. Please use them. As I said already 3 times, Luminar, ERIC10, minus 10% on top of any offer they have, so use it. Thank you. And with ERIC20, you get 20% discount on K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. That helps you, that helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. I'll also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.